Bitcoin is worthless artificial gold.
Believe it or not, that worthless artificial gold Ethereum is up 325% for the year so far, easily outpacing an 85% rise in the more popular Bitcoin. Ethereum, the most exciting cryptocurrency so far, it's been rising more than 63% over the last month. The price action of Ethereum and other cryptocurrency tends to be highly volatile. Ethereum is being used as a core by technology giants and corporations to develop customized blockchain models. Names such as Microsoft Corporation, JP Morgan Chase, Intel Corporation, and Bank of the New York Mellon are associated with it. This Ethereum Enterprise Alliance was founded in February 2017. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Investors Game. In this video, we're gonna be talking about, is Ethereum the next big hit? And if you guys wanna see any more investing tips, stocks, method, and strategy for me in the future, then be sure to subscribe down below. Turn on my post notifications so you never miss another upload. Now, let's jump right into the video. Wow, Ethereum did it again. It's the #1 crypto that best performs in 2021. While many claim that digital currency space has a strong fundamental investment case and long-term tailwinds, its up and down nature in the short term. This can be difficult for some new investors to get it, but for the near-term minded investor, these price swings can be a good opportunity to make money. Using technical analysis, as a trader can pick up on momentum patterns that tell them when the best times to buy and sell are. For Bitcoin, it took 12 years to reach $1 trillion, while Microsoft was the longest. It took 44 years to reach the $1 trillion worth. This can be a great sign that cryptocurrency is moving a lot of money right now, and probably we won't see Bitcoin bouncing the $10,000 soon. Some people like new technology. Some people would rather stick with well-known companies like Bank of America, Coca-Cola, etc. One clear example is how Warren Buffett and his partner Charlie Munger see Bitcoin.
Cryptocurrencies basically have no value and they don't produce anything, so you can look at your little ledger item for the next 20 years and it says you've got X of this cryptocurrency or that. It doesn't reproduce, it doesn't deliver, it can't mail you a check, it can't do anything. And what you hope is that somebody else comes along and pays you more money for it later on. But then that person's got the problem. Bitcoin's been out there a long time and people talked about how it would be used in various kinds of exchange, but none of our companies are doing business in Bitcoin or anything.
Okay, wait a minute. Companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Square already allow Bitcoin as a method of payment, so I don't think Bitcoin has no value. If companies like Tesla invest in crypto, that means they know their real potential value. Of course, at the moment that Warren Buffett was being interviewed, these companies didn't accept Bitcoin. Now, this can push even the market higher because they are injecting money into the crypto market. Companies like Tesla, Square, PayPal buy high amount of Bitcoin. But the most interesting thing here is when they ask Warren if he owns Bitcoin.
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
No.
You don't own Bitcoin?
No, I do not own one. I don't own any cryptocurrency. I never will.
Why someone who has the best portfolio performance doesn't seem to be interested in owning crypto? Well, the answer is simple. Most of the time, when you watch a video about Warren Buffett, you will always see that he has a can in front of him. He makes this because he believes people will buy more shares of Coca-Cola. Public figures like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk can have a big impact on stocks. Do you still remember the tweet of Elon Musk saying Dogecoin to the moon? Well, the same impact can have Warren Buffett if he owns Bitcoin. People will be more interested in owning Bitcoin rather than buying more Coca-Cola shares. The demand of Bitcoin will increase and a stock like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft will decrease a lot. Then they ask the same question to Bill Gates if he owns Bitcoin.
Somebody gave me some for my birthday. Then a few years later I thought, hey, I'm going to sell that. So no, there's some really good technology in terms of sharing databases and verifying transactions is talked about as blockchain. That is a good thing.
Even though he doesn't own Bitcoin, he sees the great potential of the crypto technology. Even though it's weird, at the beginning of the video I said that companies like Microsoft are involved with Ethereum technology. So why would he say that he doesn't own any crypto if Microsoft works with Ethereum technology? This will be an answer that we'll never know. So how billionaires like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger see cryptocurrencies?
Bitcoin has been used, I think, to move around a fair amount of money illegally.
Which, if it succeeded, would facilitate a lot of illicit activity. Now, that is not something I think the world needs.
Well, at least they don't hate how cryptos are doing.
Of course, I hate the Bitcoin success.
Ugh, never mind. But why would they hate its success?
I don't welcome a currency that's so useful to kidnappers and extortionists and so forth, nor do I like just shuffling out a few extra billions and billions and billions of dollars to somebody who just invented a new financial product out of thin air.
Even if great investors consider that crypto has no value, they can bring good rewards. Now let's see this table. You can get an easy top and down at the minimum and maximum price forecast for Ethereum. As you see, for 2021, the potential high is $22,000, which I consider very high, and the minimum that can hit this year could be $780. Now, it's currently above the $3,000, and it won't surprise me if Ethereum hits the $5,000 this year. For 2022, people expect a high of $27,000 and a low of $1,200. Now, what would it have to do Ethereum to hit more than $10,000? Well, more companies will have to allow Bitcoin as a method of payment. New projects that are associated with crypto, like bonds based on crypto technology. The European Investment Bank, the leading arm of the European Union, used Ethereum technology to issue $121 billion in 2-year digital notes for the first time. Basically, it's the first bond issued by crypto. This is the main reason why Ethereum hit the $3,000. Ethereum's price has been more volatile than Bitcoin's. If you invest in Ethereum instead of Bitcoin, you will increase your risk for more upside potential. Some investors claim that Ethereum's market cap will surpass Bitcoin valuation due to the wide range of use cases on Ethereum. Some analysts predict that Ethereum can reach the $10,000 in the coming years. So, if Ethereum brings more rewards than Bitcoin, which one is better? The biggest advantage Ethereum has over Bitcoin is its ability to host smart contracts on its blockchain. Bitcoin is great to use as a store of value. As a general rule, a cryptocurrency market cap and level of risk are inversely related. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Like any investment, you're risking your capital for potential reward. Cryptocurrency are much more risky assets than traditional investment, but they offer a much higher potential reward. Now, let's look at the charts. Alright, this is Ethereum chart, so we're gonna see first weekly candles so we can have a bigger picture of what's happening in the market for long term. And we're gonna use supply and demand. What it means that when it hits supply on its own, the price is already expensive, so we have to sell. In this case, we don't have any supplies on here, so we gonna focus only on buying. So the first zone that I will be interested in buying long term if the market bounce back, it will be between the levels 2,633 and 2039. So I will be between 2,600 and 2,000. It will be pretty interesting to see a good moment to rise up, because I don't think the market is gonna go even lower. Here we have a strong demand where people will be very interested in buying this level because it's already very cheap. As we move on to the daily chart, we're gonna see a better picture of what we can have for the midterm and a very good demand zone that I will be pretty interested to buy again Ethereum. It will be between the levels 3,600 and the price can go here and bounce back. If any given moment the market breaks this, and it can do that because it's already overextended, but for many projects that is happening, it's very likely that it's gonna be up. So for that, we'll keep in mind buying these positions. And I think that's all for this cryptocurrency. I will be interested in buying this cryptocurrency between the levels 3,600 and 3,300. And before we leave, let me tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purpose only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are your responsibility, and I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comment box, would you invest in Ethereum? Subscribe to my channel because every week I'm in YouTube with new content, and do not forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you next time.